Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to save stations onto DCR89. First of all, the radio has to be on. At the moment it is on standby mode, so I'm going to press the power button again. So it's working. So these are the preset buttons. So I'm going to save this station to preset number 1. Press it, hold it, let go. Okay, now I'm going to tune into another station. Let me put the volume down. Okay, so I press the right arrow key on the tuning control button to tune into another station. You can actually press the left arrow key if you like. So I'm going to find another station, Coles Radio, that's all right. So I have to press the select button. Just because it shows on the display doesn't mean that station is working. So press the select button. Now Coles Radio is working. So I'm going to save this station to number 2. Press, hold, let go. Okay, I'm going to find another station by pressing the right arrow key. Fox, okay, I'm going to press the select button. Now that station is working. I'm going to save that station onto number 3. Press, hold, let go. Okay, all three stations are saved. So I'm going to press number 1. So the station that we saved previously should be working. Yeah, and I press number 2. It should change to Coles. Yeah, now I'm going to press number 3. Fox is working. So you can actually save 5 stations on FM as well. Follow the same method. And that's it guys. And I'm going to upload more videos about this radio and other Sangean radios as well. Please subscribe my channel. And also if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. And that's it guys. See you next time. Bye.